Hi guys, this is exercise number 2 of chapter 2. We are going to review the tools we talked about in the last session. There are some of the tools we will use to create two-dimensional drawings. I should start by creating a new file in the part mode, and then I will start drawing by choosing the first point of this baseline, for which the length is 80 millimeters. So I create a new file first. The first step is choosing a plane, so I choose the front plane, and then I should click on the sketch button to start drawing. I can choose the sketch button from here or here. So we'll have a horizontal line first. I start from the origin and I click here to choose the endpoint. I can modify the length from here. It should be 80. You can modify the length of the lines after you create multiple lines, or after you create a line. So next I have a vertical line with 5 millimeters, then a horizontal and a vertical with 10 millimeter. So I draw the vertical line, horizontal. Now I can modify lengths one by one. This is 5, this is 10, and this is also 10. Next I have this line, for which I don't have the dimension, so I should calculate it. Since the whole length from this point to this point is 100, and this is a symmetrical sketch, and we also know that this radius is 20, so from this point to this point is 40. So 100 minus 40 will be 60, and 60 divided by 2 will be the length of each of these lines, which is 30. So I have a horizontal and a vertical line, and after that I should draw this tangent arc, and I will use the tangent arc tool. So there's a horizontal line and then a vertical, and now I can press A button after I chose the endpoint of this line. By pressing A button, this tangent arc tool will be activated. This dashed line shows that I can choose this point as the endpoint of the arc. Another way to invoke the tangent arc tool is choosing it from here, instead of invoking it by pressing A button. You can choose tangent arc from here. Let's do it again. I choose the tangent arc button and I draw the arc, and this is the endpoint. Now I can modify lengths. This is 30, the vertical one is 20, and for the arc radius is 20. So I should modify this, which is for radius. Okay. Again I have a vertical line starting from here, and again I use this dashed line to choose the endpoint. After that I have a horizontal line with 30 millimeters, equal to the previous one, so I modify the length to 30. Next I have a vertical line for which the endpoint is here, horizontal and vertical. Now the only thing left is this circle for which the diameter is 20. I use the circle tool. Starting from the center of the circle, I create the circle, and now I can modify its radius, which should be 10, so its diameter will be 20. Alright, this is complete. This was for exercise 2 of chapter 2.